Good morning, students. So in last video we saw Moricula is now went to the forest for bringing apples for her stepmother and stepsister. Now Great January rose up and went over the older month September, and September took the high seat and uh, sh- uh, he handed club to him. Means January handed club to September, and September September swung the club over the fire. The fire began to burn with red flame, and snow began to melt. And but there was a cold wind that sent faded leaves down to the ground. And it was autumn season, and in autumn season, apples are there. So, uh, Moricula September commanded to Moricula to shake the apple tree at once. Moricula saw one apple tree over there and some apples hanging on the branches of that tree. So right gladly Moricula shook. Gladly Moricula shook the tree, and first one apple fell down, and then another. Means Moricula accepted the command of September and shook the tree, and two apples fell down. First one and then another. Now Moricula, that's enough. Run home quickly, shouted the months. All the months shouted on Moricula to go home directly or quickly. Run home quickly means she have only two apples. Now Moricula obeyed at once means Moricula or uh, accepted their command at once. She picked up the apples, thanked the months with all her heart, and ran merrily home. Gladly, happily, she ran towards her home. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Moricula bringing the two apples. Again, they are wondering that how could she they get the apples in that season in which the ground was full of the snow, white snow. Where did you get them? Asked Helena. Again, Helena is asking, where did you get them? I found them in a forest on the high mountain, said Moricula. And why didn't you bring more, or did you eat them on the way home? Said Helena harshly. Now Helena is getting very angry, and harshly she said that why didn't you bring more? Why did you bring only two apples? Did you eat them on the way to home? मीन्स तूने रास्ते में तो खा नहीं ली है उस उन एप्पल को मॉरिक्यूला ऐसा हॉलेना गुस्से में कहती है मॉरिक्यूला से. अलास सिस्टर डियर, I haven't even tasted them. I shook the tree twice. Two apples fell down and wouldn't let me shake the tree again. They shouted me to go straight home, protested Moricula. Now Moricula is protesting, and is saying that the I shook the tree twice कि उसने अपना पूरा जोर लगा के वो ट्री को दो बार शेक किया, लेकिन दो ही एप्पल्स गिरे और उससे ज़्यादा एप्पल्स उन मंथ्स ने उसको लेना अलाउ नहीं किए. They said to her to go straight away home. May you be struck to death by lighting, and said the wicked Helena, and began to eat apples. It tasted so delicious that she told her mother she had never tasted anything so nice in her all life. Means now she is very angry, means Helena is very angry, and she is saying to her sister that may you be stuck to the death by the lightning. कि उसको बहुत अब्यूज मीन्स बहुत बुरा बोला हेलेना ने मॉरिक्यूला को कि स्टक टू दी डेथ मीन्स मरने उधर क्या तुझे मरने का डर लग रहा था कि तूने दो ही एप्पल्स लेके आई. इस तरह से लैंग्वेज में वो उससे बात कर रही थी. एंड शी स्टार्टेड ईटिंग द apples, and she said to her mother, the apples are so delicious, means very tasty, that she had never tasted anything so nice in ऑल हर लाइफ, मीन्स इससे अच्छी चीज़ कभी उसने खाई नहीं थी, ऐसा वो अपनी मदर से कह रही थी. हेलेना was saying to her mother. The stepmother liked it too. When they had finished, they wanted some more. Now they had finished the apples, and both were saying that the apples were very delicious, and they want some more apples. Mother, give me my fur coat. Let's go to the forest ourselves and get the apples. Means she's saying to her mother that we should go ourselves in the forest and get some more apples. That ragged little witch would eat them all up again on her way home. Means they are saying they are planning to go forest for getting some more apple, and saying that that ragged little witch means rich, means unpleasant as annoying person. Here they are saying about, they are describing about मॉरिक्यूला. वो मॉरिक्यूला की बात कर रहे कि वो जो अनप्लीजेंट और विक्ट मीन्स वो जो खराब सी लड़की है, वो आते आते रास्ते में अगर उसको भेजेंगे तो वो फिर से सारे एप्पल्स ख़त्म कर देगी, इसलिए हम खुद ही चलते हैं, मेरा फर कोट निकालो. मीन्स आउटसाइड देर इज़ all away there is ice and ice only, so she's asking her mother to give her fur coat to her. Would you, that rag little rich would eat them all up again on her way home. We will find the place all right, and I will shake them all down however they shout at me. मीन्स वो जो है एप्पल्स के पास जो लोग हैं, मीन्स 12 months, वो मुझ पे चिल्लाए या कुछ भी करे, मैं उस ट्री को शेक करती रहूँगी और सारे एप्पल्स नीचे गिरा दूँगी. हर मदर एग्रीड रेडीली. दे wrapped themselves in fur coat and shawls, and off they went to the forest. They took all their shawls and कोट्स एंड रैप देमसेल्फ, मीन्स उन लोगों ने अपने को पूरी तरह से प्रोटेक्ट कर लिया गर्म कपड़ों से और फॉरेस्ट की तरफ निकल गए. द स्नो ले डीप एंड दे वैंडर्ड अबाउट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, but at last they saw the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning. Again they saw, first of all Moricula saw the fire burning on the top of the mountain, and now they went, means Helena and Moricula's stepmother went to the forest and they saw the fire burning on the top of the mountain, and the 12 months were sitting. They stepped up to the fire and stretched out their hands to warm them without asking permission or speaking one polite word. See, Moricula was asking, first of all, she saw the fire, she went to the mountain and she saw the 12 rocks, and on the 12 rocks there were 12 months were sitting on the 12 rocks, and she saw them uh, round of the fire, and she asked them to, every time she is asking to warm her hand, and she is asking for permission and they are not asking, means Helena and Moricula's stepmother are not even asking for permission or speaking one word polite for to them. Why have you come here and what are you looking for? Asked Great January crossly. Means very very angry he was, Great January, and he is asking to them, why have you come here and what are you looking for? Great January also asked to Moricula, but he was asking very politely because Moricula was polite with them also. Why do you want to know, you old fool? Replied Helena angrily. It's no business of yours, said her mother. They are again arguing with Great January. They are saying to Great January, you old fool, and there is no business, means तेरे काम की बात नहीं है, you old fool. They are abusing the Great January also. Great January phoned and swung the club over his head. The sky grew dark in a moment and the fire burned slow. The snow began to fall thick and icy wind began to blow. Now the great January is very angry with them, and great January what he does, he frowned and swung the club over his head. मीन्स वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गया और वो जो क्लब था उसका, मीन्स द हेवी स्टिक यूज्ड एज अ वेपन ही क्लब ओवर हिज हेयर, उसने वो छड़ी अपने सर के ऊपर घुमाई. एंड द स्काई ग्रू डार्क इन अ मोमेंट, पूरा आसमान डार्क होने लगा, काला होने लगा. एंड द फायर बर्न स्लो, वो स्लो होने लग गई फायर. एंड स्नो बिगिन टू फॉल थिक एंड आइस विंड बिगेन टू ब्लो, सब ठंडी ठंडी हवा चलने लग गई, सब जगह ठंड हो गई, वो आग भी बुझने आ गई थी. थ्रू द फॉरेस्ट Helena and her mother couldn't see one step in front of them. The ice was so thick they couldn't see anything in the forest. They tried to find their way out, but the snow fell in huge messes, and soon they were lost in it. And they lost in it. वो अपना रास्ता ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, लेकिन वो स्नो इतनी बड़ी जगह में, इतनी बल्क में गिरी हुई थी कि उन्होंने अपना रास्ता खो दिया और वहीं पे गुम हो गए. एट होम Moricula waited and yet Helena and her mother did not come back. मीन्स मॉरिक्यूला घर पे अकेली थी और वो अपने स्टेप मदर और स्टेप सिस्टर हेलेना और उसकी स्टेप मदर के लिए वेट कर रही थी, लेकिन वो आए ही नहीं. When she went to search for them, she found neither her mother and sister nor the 12 months in the forest. Okay, so now she went to search her mother and sister, means stepmother and sister, but she couldn't find them, and also the 12 months nor the 12 months. At last she returned home sadly, means she was very sad with whatever they were doing with her, but she was nice to them, so she was very sad that her mother and sister were lost in the snow. एंड शी रिटर्न होम सैडली, मीन्स वो अपने घर पे वापस आ गई, क्योंकि उसको पता चल गया था कि उसकी स्टेप मदर और स्टेप सिस्टर बर्फ में गुम हो गई है और वो वापस कभी नहीं आएंगी, और उसको 12 मंथ्स भी नहीं मिल रहे. सो गुड मॉरिक्यूला inherited the cottage and the land around it. She married a kind husband and they both lived happily ever after. So the good Moricula inherited means to revise property legally. अब लीगली वो जो जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टी थी, जो वो कॉटेज था और उसके आजू बाजू की जो भी जगह थी, वो सारी मॉरिक्यूला की हो गई लीगली. और she married she married a kind husband and they both live happily ever after. उसने एक अच्छे इंसान से शादी कर ली और they live both happily ever after. The story finished. So this was the story about the Moricula and her kind heart and the stepmother and stepsister of Moricula. The story also highlights that good always triumphs over evil. Means अच्छी चीज़ें हमेशा बुरी चीज़ों से ज़्यादा अच्छी जीत होती है, हमेशा अच्छाई की ही जीत होती है. तो मॉरिक्यूला की भी इस स्टोरी में जीत हुई. ओके, गुड ऑलवेज triumphs over the evil. So this was the story all about. Today's homework is to write hard words down.